Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Hi.
Today we're talking about something very important, something we all do every single day.
That's right. We're talking about daily life, our daily routines, the things we do from morning to night.
Exactly. And before we start, please don't forget to like this podcast and subscribe. It really helps us.
Yes, subscribe so you can learn English with us every week. Okay, let's begin.
So, Sarah, let me ask you something. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing, I open my eyes.
Okay, yes, we all do that.
But really, the first thing I do is I turn off my alarm. My alarm is very loud.
Oh, me too. My alarm is so loud. I hate it.
But we need it, right? Without an alarm, I sleep all day.
That's true. So you turn off your alarm, then what?
Then I stay in bed for 5 more minutes.
5 minutes? Only 5?
Well, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15.
That's more honest. I do the same thing. I stay in bed and I look at my phone.
Yes, me too. I check my messages, I check the news. Sometimes I watch a short video.
Exactly. That's very common. Many people do this. We wake up and we look at our phones.
Is that good or bad?
I don't know. Maybe bad, but it's our routine.
Right, it's our habit. Okay, so after that, what do you do?
After that, I get up, I go to the bathroom,
Of course, everyone does that.
I wash my face, I brush my teeth. Very simple.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I do. Every morning. I like to feel fresh.
That's good. I take a shower at night.
At night? Really?
Yes, I like to feel clean before bed. And in the morning, I have more time.
That makes sense. So everyone is different. Some people shower in the morning, some people shower at night.
Exactly. There's no right or wrong way.
So after your shower or after you wash your face, what's next?
Next is breakfast.
Ah, yes, breakfast, the most important meal of the day.
That's what they say. Do you believe it?
I think so. I always eat breakfast. If I don't eat breakfast, I feel tired.
Me too. I need breakfast. What do you usually eat?
I usually eat something simple, maybe cereal, maybe toast with butter.
Toast is good. I like eggs.
Eggs? How do you like your eggs?
I like scrambled eggs. They're easy to make.
Yes, very easy. Just eggs in a pan, a little salt, done.
Exactly. And what do you drink? Coffee?
Yes, coffee is very important. I can't start my day without coffee.
Same here. I need my coffee with milk and sugar.
I drink it black. No milk, no sugar.
Really? That's strong.
I like it strong. It wakes me up.
Fair enough. Okay, so we eat breakfast, we drink coffee, then what?
Then we get ready for the day.
Right, we get dressed, we choose our clothes.
Do you plan your clothes the night before?
Sometimes, if I have something important, like a meeting.
That's smart. I never plan. I just look at my closet in the morning.
And sometimes that takes a long time, right?
Yes. Sometimes I can't decide. I try on 3 or 4 different shirts.
I understand. We all do that sometimes.
So getting dressed can take time, especially for some people.
True, but eventually we're ready. We're dressed, we have our coffee. Now we leave the house.
Exactly. We go to work or to school or wherever we need to go.
How do you go to work, Mike?
I take the bus every morning. The same bus, the same time.
Is it crowded?
Oh, yes, very crowded, especially in the morning. Everyone is going to work.
I know that feeling. I used to take the bus too. Now I drive my car.
You drive? That's nice. Do you like driving?
Sometimes, when there's no traffic, I like it. But in the morning, there's always traffic.
Traffic is the worst. You sit in your car and you don't move.
Exactly. It's very frustrating, but what can we do?
Nothing. We just wait. We listen to music or the radio.
Yes, music makes it better. Or a podcast.
Haha, like this one.
Exactly. People can listen to us while they drive or take the bus.
That's a good point. Learning English during your commute. That's smart.
Very smart. Okay, so we arrive at work. What happens then?
Well, work begins. We start our day.
What kind of work do you do? I mean in general, not specifically.
I work in an office. I have a desk, I use a computer.
That's common. Many people work in offices.
Yes, I answer emails, I have meetings, I work on projects.
Do you like your job?
It's okay. Some days are good, some days are boring.
That's honest. I think many people feel the same way.
What about you? What do you do?
I work with people. I talk to clients, I help them with problems.
So you work in customer service?
Kind of, yes. I talk to people all day.
That sounds tiring.
It can be, but it's also interesting. Every day is different.
That's good. Variety is important.
Yes, I agree. Okay, so we're at work, we work for a few hours, then what?
Then, lunchtime.
Yes, lunch, another important meal.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Sometimes, if I prepare it the night before.
And if you don't prepare it?
Then I buy lunch. There's a sandwich shop near my office.
Sandwiches are easy and quick.
Exactly. I don't have a lot of time for lunch. Maybe 30 minutes.
Same here. 30 minutes is normal.
What do you usually eat?
I usually bring leftovers from dinner. You know, the food from last night.
That's smart. You cook once and you eat twice.
Exactly. It saves time and money.
Good thinking. Okay, so lunch is done. We go back to work.
Yes, back to work. More emails, more meetings.
And we work until what time?
I finish at 5 o'clock, sometimes 5:30.
That's a normal schedule, 8 hours of work.
Yes, from 9 to 5, the classic workday.
And then we're free.
Well, kind of. Then we go home. We take the bus or drive again.
Ah, yes, the commute again.
The evening commute is usually worse than the morning
Why?
because everyone leaves work at the same time. More traffic, more people on the bus.
That's true. Everyone wants to go home.
Exactly. So the trip home can take a long time.
But eventually we arrive. We're home.
Yes, finally home. What do you do when you get home?
The first thing, I take off my shoes.
Ha, yes, that feels so good.
Right? I put on comfortable clothes, maybe sweatpants, a t-shirt.
Me too. I change into something comfortable. Work clothes are not comfortable.
Not at all. Okay, so we're comfortable. What's next?
Maybe I relax for a few minutes. I sit on the couch.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, or I just sit there. I don't do anything.
That's important. We need to rest after work.
Exactly. We need a break. Our brain needs a break.
Yes, but then we need to think about dinner.
Ah, yes. Dinner. The third meal of the day.
Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes, if I have energy.
And if you don't have energy?
Then I order food. Delivery.
I do that too. It's so easy now. You use your phone and food arrives.
Yes, it's very convenient, but it's expensive.
That's true. Cooking at home is cheaper.
And healthier, too.
Right, but after a long day, sometimes we just want something easy.
I understand. No judgment.
Thank you. So, what do you like to cook?
I like simple things. Pasta, rice, chicken.
Those are all easy. Pasta is very easy.
Yes, you just boil water, cook the pasta, add sauce, done.
Exactly, and it's delicious.
Very delicious. What about you? What do you cook?
I like to cook vegetables. I make salads, sometimes soup.
Soup is good, especially in winter.
Yes, a warm soup on a cold day, perfect.
So we eat dinner, we sit at the table, or maybe on the couch.
Yes, many people eat in front of the TV now.
Is that bad?
I don't know, it's just different. In the past, families always ate together at the table.
That's true, but now everyone is busy. Different schedules.
Right, so we eat when we can, how we can.
Exactly. There's no perfect way.
Okay, so dinner is finished. What do we do after dinner?
Well, first we clean up. We wash the dishes.
Ah, yes, the dishes. Not fun.
Not fun at all, but necessary.
Do you wash dishes by hand?
Yes, I don't have a dishwasher.
I have a dishwasher. It's very helpful.
Lucky. I need to get one.
It saves a lot of time. Okay, so the dishes are clean, the kitchen is clean. Now what?
Now we have free time. This is our personal time.
Yes, this is the best part of the day.
What do you like to do in the evening?
I like to read. I read for maybe 30 minutes or an hour.
What do you read?
I like novels, fiction, stories.
That's nice. Reading is relaxing.
Very relaxing. It helps me forget about work.
I understand. What about you, Mike? What do you do? I usually watch a show on TV or on my computer.
What kind of shows?
I like dramas, sometimes comedies.
Comedies are fun. They make you laugh.
Exactly. After a long day, laughing is good.
I agree. Laughter is important.
Some people exercise in the evening.
Really? After work?
Yes, they go to the gym or they go running.
I admire that. I'm too tired to exercise after work.
Me too, but some people have a lot of energy.
That's good for them. Everyone is different.
Exactly. We all have different routines, different habits.
And that's okay. There's no right way to live.
True, as long as we're happy and healthy.
Yes, that's what matters. Okay, so the evening continues. We read or watch TV or exercise.
Or we talk to family, we call friends.
That's important too, staying connected with people we love.
Very important. Sometimes I video call my parents.
That's nice. How often?
Maybe once a week, sometimes more.
That's good. It's important to stay in touch.
Yes, even if we're busy, we need to make time.
I agree. Okay, so the evening goes by, it's getting late.
Yes, we start to feel tired.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30, maybe 11.
That's reasonable. I try to go to bed at 10.
10? That's early.
I know, but I like to get enough sleep. I need 8 hours.
8 hours is good. I usually get 7.
7 is okay too. The important thing is to sleep enough.
Right. Without sleep, we can't function.
Exactly. So before bed, what do you do?
I brush my teeth again. I wash my face.
Same here. Basic hygiene.
Do you read before bed?
Sometimes, for a few minutes, it helps me relax.
I usually look at my phone.
Again with the phone.
I know. It's a bad habit.
They say screens are bad before bed, the blue light.
Yes, it can make it harder to sleep.
But we all do it anyway.
True, it's hard to stop.
Maybe we should try. Put the phone away 30 minutes before bed.
That's a good idea. Let's try it.
Okay, it's a plan. So we get into bed, we turn off the lights.
And we close our eyes.
And we sleep.
Until the alarm goes off the next morning.
And the whole cycle starts again.
Exactly. That's daily life. We wake up, we go to work, we come home, we sleep.
And we do it again the next day.
It sounds boring when you say it like that.
But it's not boring. Each day is a little different.
That's true. Different conversations, different experiences.
Different food, different shows.
Right. The structure is the same, but the details change.
Exactly. And that's what makes life interesting.
Plus, we have weekends.
Oh yes, weekends are special. No work.
We can sleep late. We can do what we want.
We can see friends, go to the movies, go shopping.
Or just stay home and relax.
That's my favorite, a lazy weekend at home.
Mine too. No plans, just rest.
But on weekdays, we follow our routine.
Yes, our daily routine. It gives us structure.
It helps us stay organized.
And it makes us feel secure. We know what to expect.
That's a good point. Routines are comforting.
But sometimes we need to break the routine.
What do you mean?
Sometimes we need to try something new, do something different.
Like what?
Like take a different route to work, try a new restaurant, talk to someone new.
I see. Small changes.
Yes, small changes can make life more interesting.
I like that idea. It's good advice.
So our daily life is important, but we can also add variety.
Balance. That's the key.
Exactly. Balance between routine and variety.
Between work and rest.
Between being busy and being relaxed.
That's the goal, a balanced life.
And everyone's balance is different.
True. We each need to find what works for us.
Right. There's no one-size-fits-all answer.
We have to experiment, try different things.
And pay attention. How do we feel? Are we happy? Are we tired?
Good questions. We should ask ourselves these questions.
Yes, self-awareness is important.
Very important. If we don't feel good, we need to change something.
Exactly. Maybe we need more sleep, or more exercise, or more fun.
Or maybe we need a vacation.
Yes. A vacation is always good.
A break from daily life.
To recharge our batteries.
And then we come back feeling fresh.
Ready to start the routine again.
Exactly. Okay, Mike, I think we've covered a lot today.
Yes, we talked about everything, from morning to night.
All the little things we do every day.
The things we sometimes don't even think about.
But they're important. They make up our lives.
Our daily lives, the foundation of everything.
So let's do a quick recap in simple English.
Good idea. So every day we wake up, we get ready, we eat breakfast.
We go to work or school, we work, we eat lunch.
We work more, we go home, we eat dinner.
We relax, we spend time with family or friends.
We get ready for bed, we sleep.
And we do it again the next day.
That's daily life. Simple, but important.
And everyone's daily life is a little different.
But we all have routines. We all have habits.
And that's okay. Routines help us.
They give us structure. They help us stay organized.
But we can also change our routines, try new things.
Find balance. That's the goal.
Exactly. Well said, Mike.
Thank you, Sarah. This was a great conversation.
I enjoyed it too, and I hope you enjoyed it as well, everyone listening.
Yes, thank you so much for listening today.
If you like this podcast, please give us a like.
And subscribe. Subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
We make new episodes every week, all in English, all for learners.
Simple English, real conversations to help you learn.
So hit that subscribe button, it really helps us.
And keep practicing your English every day, little by little.
That's how you improve. Consistency is key.
Exactly. Listen to English, read English, speak English.
Every day, even just a little bit.
And you'll see progress, I promise.
We believe in you. Okay, everyone, that's all for today.
Thank you again for listening.
Take care.
And see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.